Ceceni ya borithi ya Kamukunji guku mucii wa Nairobi ni imwe ya ceceni iria kuonekanite obitha na murimo wa COVID-19. Gatagati ka obitha atatu aria mathimitwo na kuonekana na virus ici, umwe ni kuma ruhonge rwa uthuthuria, umwe kuma ruhonge rwa uheani wa motungata ma naihenya megie uthuthuria, na ungi ni wa gikiro gia constable. Muhanire wa wira wao niguo umaigite muharini wa mbere wa kunyitwo ni murimo uyu na macungiriro. Andu angi 30 aria ni hamwe na andu a nyumba ciao makeigwo keheri-ini makirikana ni mahutanitie na maobitha aya atatu.
And we have also provided the guidelines on how they should be able to conduct themselves during the course of their services. So they are prepared. We may find now and then some that might not in the course of their duties observe some of these procedures.
Maya magithie na mbere mihango ya guthima ohwo njera-ini itiganite guothe bururi-ini ni yambiriirie thutha wa kwirikana kuri na ugwati wa gutamba kwa murimo uyu na gikiro kinene thiini wa njera.
The work that we have been doing together with the Department of Prisons really has been first and foremost to protect those in this closed environment of prison situations, to completely protect them and prevent any outside contact that will bring in the virus.
Remember, prisons, because of the high population and the impracticality of maintaining social distance, was highlighted as one of the hotspots. And even the first edict that His Excellency made was stoppage of visitation to the prison, all our prison facilities. And I think that has gone a long way to be able to stop spread of COVID-19 in prisons.
Riri bururi urakuhiriria gacumbiri ga gutamba kwa murimo wa COVID-19, muigana wa arwaru aria monekete na murimo uyu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nayo irabatira o uria arwaru aria maronekana na murimo uyu bururi-ini marathie na mbere na kuongerereka.
The total number of tests that we have conducted is 136,361. All the 104 positive cases of today are Kenyans. 76 of them are male and 28 are females. The youngest is 1 year old and the oldest is 76. We have seen the pattern of distribution. It remains the same, with Nairobi County leading with 60 cases, Mombasa with 33 cases, Kilifi 5 cases, Busia 3, Kajiado 2, Taita Taveta 1 case. By sub-county, if we take Nairobi, the distribution of the 60 cases from Nairobi today are from Langata 22, Kibra 19, Westlands 11, Starehe 3, Dagoretti North 2, Embakasi South 1, Kasarani 1, and Embakasi East 1.
Akenya marerikana kuhimbiria na njira nene ruhonge ruria ruheanitwo rwa kwamukira ndumiriri ciegie motaro ma COVID-19, ona gutuika thirikari irauga kuri na arwaru a COVID-19 marathie na mbere kuguoyohio.
In terms of the number of cases that we have seen following the launch of the helpline, yes, the response has been very good, and surprisingly it's mostly young people who have been making calls. And most of the issues that they want to address include anxiety, include gender and domestic violence, and also issues of depression. And we want to ramp this further and establish a telecounseling service at Mathare National Teaching and Referral Hospital that will also be able to serve us post-COVID.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige wa Nyamu.